Fun with fire. Today's the big day. Starting to already hear booms. And it's only the afternoon. And so I'm doing this little demo here of Thunder Bomb. 50, 50 of these crackers, a strip of crackers of 50. The BM502. Boomer fireworks. There it is, 50. Probably going to be 10 seconds. Thunder Bomb crackers. I actually got this for free in the tent. Guy just threw it in there. He's like, here, this is free. It's like, okay, cool. Free? Free is for me. And now it's about to be lit. So let's check out Thunder Bomb from Boomer Fireworks on this Independence Day. Thunder Bomb. All right. Thunder Bomb. Let's check it out. She's lit. Woo! They're loud. Plumage, smoke. Nice. Storm's coming soon. Hopefully they'll be done before we're ready to light off the big stuff. Happy Independence Day.